Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, low miles, and loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, leather interior group, sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2015 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, traction control, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, home link garage door opener, power steering, aluminum wheels, floor mats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.